Oracle Analytics gives you the power to enable any user to ask any data-driven questions so that you can get the value you expect from your analytics. Oracle Analytics provides smart analytics for everyone. Analysts and data stewards can easily access and transform all necessary datasets in preparation for analysis, then share those datasets with other users. Business users such as executives can go beyond just consuming other users' findings by proactively investigating datasets to discover and share answers to key business questions. And developers can enhance the out-of-the-box capabilities with customer visualizations, data connectors, and functions, and embed analytics in any context. Suppose your organization is experiencing employee attrition and you need to know why. Oracle Analytics can help you find the answers. First, your operations team initiates data collaboration from Taleo to create a dataset. The dataset includes current and past employee details such as salary, education level, and job satisfaction. Your HR analyst then uses the dataset to create a data flow containing a machine learning algorithm to predict employee attrition. She creates the data flow from the homepage by clicking Create and then Data Flow. She searches for the Attrition Predict dataset and double-clicks it to add it to the data flow. She clicks Add Step and selects Apply Model to create the first step in the data flow. A member of her team already trained the model based on a naive Bayes algorithm that comes with Oracle Analytics, so she double-clicks the model to add it to the data flow. Next, she names the column outputs that are returned by the model. This includes the predicted values and confidence predictions linked to employee attrition. She adds the final step in the data flow that specifies the results of the data flow when it's run. The resulting dataset name is Attrition Predicted Model. She clicks Save to save her changes, and then names the data flow as Attrition Predicted Data, so she can easily find it again. She clicks OK. She remembers that she has to run the data flow to generate a new dataset for use later in visualizations and reports. And it looks good so far. Finally, the Human Resources VP uses the Attrition Predicted Data output to begin working on pinpointing exactly why the organization is losing employees. He begins by creating a workbook from the homepage by clicking Create and then Workbook. He searches for the Attrition Predicted Data dataset that the HR analyst just created and double-clicks it to add it to the workbook. He drags the employee count data element to the canvas. It looks like there's data for 470 employees in the dataset. He wants to see how many employees are predicted to leave, so he drags the Predicted Attrition data element to the Filters bar to create a filter on predicted attrition, and double-clicks Yes to only include employees with a predicted attrition value equal to yes. Many employees are predicted to leave the organization, so he investigates further to find out why. He uses the Control key to select the predicted attrition, predicted confidence, first name, last name, and employee number data elements, and right-clicks one of the data elements and selects Pick Visualization and then Pivot. The pivot table shows him a more detailed view of attrition predictions by employee. So far, so good. He wants to see which departments are likely to experience the most employee attrition, so he uses the Control key to select the department and employee count data elements. Right-clicks a data element, selects Pick Visualization, and then Donut. The donut chart reflects that the organization is losing the most employees from the R&D department, at almost 49%. The VP still wants to know more, so he right-clicks Predicted Attrition and selects Explain Predicted Attrition to launch the Explain feature to automatically generate basic facts, key drivers, segments, and anomalies discovered for predicted attrition. He scrolls down the Basic Facts about Predicted Attrition page to make further discoveries. The age chart shows him that employees tend to leave if they are younger than 30 years old. He clicks Select for Canvas to select it. The daily rate chart shows him that employees tend to leave if their daily pay rate is on the lower end. He clicks Select for Canvas to select it. And the stock option level chart shows him that employees tend to leave if they don't have many vested stock options. He clicks Select for Canvas to select it. He clicks Add Selected to add the age, daily rate, and stock option charts to the workbook. This automatically creates a second canvas with those charts. He clicks Add Notes and enters text to enter a note at the top of the canvas about his discoveries. He entered the note a little too low on the canvas, so he moves it to the top. Finally, the VP begins creating a presentation flow by clicking Present and double-clicking the Explain Predicted Attrition canvas to add it to the presentation flow. He'll share this presentation flow with his team during the next planning session to help them brainstorm how to slow employee attrition. Thanks to Oracle Analytics, the VP has all the data he needs to build a focused strategy to slow attrition. Check us out at docs.oracle.com.